Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and today I'm kind of going back in time, back to like December, I think it was. Yeah, this mold is from quite an old Sophie and Toffee box, but I've been wanting to use it for so long, and I finally got the opportunity when my friend Farron, she wanted me to make her a Decoden case, and she was like, girl, do whatever you want. And I'm like, girl, don't tell me that because I will go to town. And she was like, girl, do it. So I was like, girl, okay. So this is basically a video of me going to town on this phone case. What I'm doing in this video is pretty self-explanatory, so hopefully you'll be able to grasp it, but I just want you to just sit back, relax and enjoy this one. Okay, I'm just going to jump in here to say that when you are doming your pieces, you need to make sure that A, you are taking your time, B, you are doing it little by little, and C, that your piece is completely flat. Even if you have to put something very small underneath it just to sort of level it out, because let's face it, especially with UV resin, things don't always come out level. Then make sure that you do it, because you don't want for the resin to drip down the sides or anything. You want to try and get as smooth and as even a coating as possible. A lot of people also ask me about silicone. Basically, as long as the silicone that you're using is 100% silicone, then you'll be absolutely fine. If you're going to be Decoden a phone case, make sure that it's a hard one. Don't be using it on a soft silicone case because that will just peel right off. And also make sure that you do scratch up the surface so that your silicone will actually adhere better to the phone case. Okay, enjoy the rest. So there you are, my darlings. This is my super duper magical extra.com phone case. Now, you're not just getting a phone case, you are getting a phone case that has a game on the back. Okay, you can spend hours just running these little balls around the maze and just amuse yourself, and you can even do it in the dark because it glows. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.